Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition cylinder. This is the part of the ignition that you stick your key in, crank the car. Some of these cars, these are going bad. They're just getting worn out. They're old cars. You can actually get these things out of the salvage yard. It may be a good idea to document the VIN of the car that you got it out of so that you can possibly get a key made, if they will even do that for you. However, sometimes in the salvage yard, you can actually find a key in the car in that ignition cylinder. Now, if you want the entire car to be functioning on the same key, you'll need the ignition cylinder, the driver and possibly passenger door handles, and the trunk cylinder, as well as the glove box cylinder. And for those that have a wagon, there's a keyed panel in the wagon. So if you take all those things, you can have the key to open everything. If not, you'll have two keys, one for the car, one for the ignition. So the thing that you need to know and understand is if the key is chipped. From 93 to 98, they are not chipped, 92 in some markets. So you can take these keys, you can get them duplicated at places that cut these kind of keys. However, if you don't have some kind of proof of documentation or something for the dealership probably will not cut keys for you. I know of several places that can cut keys without using the VIN. May be a little more expensive, but anyway, this is how you replace that cylinder for the ignition. That's what this video shows. Now, in the remarks section below, there are links to videos that show you how to remove the steering wheel, how to get the collar off of the steering column, things like that. This video doesn't have those details in there, so you can watch those videos to gain access to this ignition cylinder and use this video to get the ignition cylinder apart. Again, there's other things that you can use to get keys for the other parts of the car, but most people will probably take this and have a key for the ignition and a different key for the rest of the car. That's okay. If you want to have one key for everything, you'll need to remove everything from the donor car. Now, the reason you might want to do this, you can probably get this part off of a donor car or out of the salvage yard under 50 bucks. If you have to replace this ignition cylinder through going through a Volvo repair facility or the dealer, you may spend up to $600 to do so. It's going to be at least $350 to $600. Anyway, if you want to save some money, this will show you how to get this apart. Now, when these ignition cylinders are installed at the dealer and most Volvo mechanic places, they are installed, especially at the factory, with breakaway screws. This is a tamper-proof thing. They don't want people getting your steering column apart and stealing your vehicle, so these screws are made to break off, so there's no way that you can really unscrew them quickly. If somebody does this procedure to steal a car, they're there way too long, and man, they might as well tow the car away when they go through all this. But anyway, this video shows you how to get those screws out, and it shows you how that thing comes apart, and then you can transport that to your vehicle and get your vehicle going again without spending a lot of money and waiting several weeks for that part to be shipped from another country. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment as to your experience with this. Hope it helps. Thank you very much for watching. I was also considering taking this ignition. You got to cut a little slot there, spray that down with brake parts cleaner to remove the grip from the screw thread locker, and then screw that out of there and take the ignition. Seems to work okay. Not good, okay. I'm gonna try to get this off real quick. I cut down in there. Now I'm gonna get a flat tip screwdriver, see if I can unscrew it. If not, I'm gonna try to chisel it out. If not, I'm going to leave it alone. I could drill the head off of it, but I'm not going to take too much time messing with this. Alright, this screw is coming out. Let me get the other one loosened out, and I'll have a spare ignition. And these are not chipped, so ain't no big deal. Then I could go match this screw and just put a regular bolt in there, or I can order 2 of these break-off screws from Volvo. Yep, there it is. Alright, I gotta put my hand under it. Thanks for watching. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.